April, and we're going to start with gold today. This is the daily chart with the 200-day moving average shown up, which is this thing here. The key aspects is a retest there, the breakthrough here, and often before markets shoot ahead they want to retest. Somewhat irritating on occasion, but nevertheless that's what's happening. The key resistance levels is the 1300 level, and also the 55-month moving averages around that level, which is quite important for gold. I've been doing an in-depth study for gold during the week for the subscribers. Basically, we're betwixt and between these two levels. Now, having gone this far, the market may decide it wants to go a bit further down. So let's have a look at the shorter-term chart. And this is the hourly chart. This is where the peak came in. There, A, B, C. ABC B wave, another A, B, C. We've got a decent buying spike there, decent buying spike there, but so far this action is inconclusive. I mean, what we need to see is a decent thrust up to give us some indication that actually we have seen a low. Right now it could go either way basically, and I'll be looking next week to see something a bit more definite. GDX, the gold miners ETF, similar. We just see quite a nice rally on the GDX on Friday, but that also is not conclusive at this point in time. So support levels 1250, 1240, a level this market may want to test. If it starts falling back to those sort of levels, we might see a fairly strong decline, which could come in next week. Right, on to FTSE. We saw the peak here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It could be a wave 1. ABC 2. Now this could be one of 3, that's 5 waves as well. But then we've got 5 waves up here, which rather suggests actually that this is all a big ABC. Down to there, with a new impulsive action to here, and then this wave down to there. Not very clear on FTSE really. I think the DAX is a clearer market. This is the hourly chart. We have got a clear 5-wave pattern off here. 1, 2, 3. This is a corrective 4 by the looks of it. So one more move with a high above 12,500 could be a key peak. The longer term pattern allows this to be a major peak. On FTSE, again, there's certainly a decent pattern suggesting a major peak. So next week could see a rally on the DAX, which possibly could be terminal. Anyway, we're obviously monitoring that quite carefully and giving alerts in the WhatsApp room. Which is going rather well at the moment. Right, on the Dow, this is the 3-hour chart. I count this as an A, B, C, a bit of a flat correction. Not completely flat, but pretty flattish. Then a 1, 2, 3, and a 4, suggesting one more move, new all-time highs, again coming in next week. So DAX and the Dow sort of concur to an extent. FTSE is in a slightly different situation, and had to see how it all develops next week. But right now it's certainly looking like a very critical time, with gold possibly about to make a major low, and equities possibly about to make a major high. So it's or game on, I guess. Cryptocurrencies. I'm now the proud owner of almost 1 million Doji coins, which almost doubled last week. I mean, the move we're seeing on cryptocurrencies are really fascinating, and right now I think there's a massive bull market, which you really want to get on board, I would suggest. And happy to help if that's something that interests you. Anyway, on that note, I'll call it a day. Hope you found it interesting and useful. I'll back the report on Tuesday morning for subscribers. Have a great weekend. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.